Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and if you want really good protection for your Apple Watch, but you like to do it in style, then check these out by BHARVEST. These screen protectors come in a gorgeous variety of 6 different colors. I got the one that has the black, the leopard, rose gold, pink, clear, and silver. I absolutely love these, and I like to change them up with whatever wristwatch I happen to be wearing. My absolute favorite is the leopard one. I love wearing it with one of my jewelry bracelet wristwatches. I really love the matte pink color as well. They're all so gorgeous. These are easy to snap on and off. They're made of tempered glass, so you know it's going to protect your screen, even if you happen to drop it. The clear tempered glass is also high definition. You can see everything on your watch very clearly, and it is super easy to tap and get where you want to go. I've never had an issue. So if you want to protect your Apple Watch screen in style, I definitely recommend these ones by BHARVEST. And that's my point of view.